Assalamu alaikum. I am Jahim
And I am Tasso.
and we are from grade 7.
Today we have gathered here to show you all to test if starch is in our food or not.
Wow, I have never seen anyone test for starch. How are we going to do it?
All we need is just some of this iodine solution and the type of food we want to use, just like this bread.
Wow, how would the iodine would do something like this in circumstances like this?
All we need is just a dropper, and we need to take the dropper and put it in the iodine. Take some iodine and then we drop it on the bread. As you can see, the iodine on the dropper is brown, but the iodine on the bread is slightly darker of purple.
Wow, just look at it. It seems like the color has changed. It looks like purple but slightly darker.
This way, we can test if starch is actually in our food or not.
Wow, I am so excited to be here. Looks amazing.
This experiment shows that just a little bit of iodine can figure out if starch is in our food or not. But that's all for today. Stay safe, be safe.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wisdom International School.